Unlock the power of vision enhancement for at-home practice. These eye workout techniques not only enhance your health, but also introduce crucial tips to elevate your eye workout routine. Discover how to engage your eye muscles with precision and relaxation. I'm excited to share some 5 exercises to improve your eyesight with myopia without surgery at home, and crucial tips for enhancing your eye exercises routine. Make it more effective. How to maximize eye training for your vision potential during eye exercises. It's essential to feel each movement of the eye muscles. Detecting even the slightest tension and easing it. Focus your attention on eye movement and allow your thoughts to drift away, eventually reaching a point where your eye workout technique will be on the next level and eye muscles more flexible than at the beginning stages. New vision in a natural way. The key to maximizing the benefits of eye exercises lies in your engagement and enjoyment of the activity. You can reach it with the experience of performing eye exercises at least once a day. A focused and pleasant practice significantly boosts vision improvement. When you are aware and understand the purpose behind each eye exercise, its effectiveness can increase by 2 or 3 times. Conversely, if your attention wavers or if you are preoccupied with other tasks, the benefits can diminish dramatically, all based on your level of concentration. This principle is to focus on eye movement, like in bodybuilding, where athletes specifically focus on the specific eye muscles they training. But eye muscles are delicate and require gentle low-intensity stretches. Check out the Eyesight Academy course with vital eye exercises and the best tips to enhance your eye performance, offering a comprehensive approach to eye health. Link in the description. Here are 5 eye exercises for myopia management. First eye exercise: to learn proper circular eye rotations. Second eye exercise for healing myopia is to stretch oblique eye muscles by diagonals. Third, to look at a window on a different objects and blink. Cars, buildings. Fourth, we move our eyes like this and circle in the corners. Like a square, but encircling the corners. Fifth, after each eye exercise, we need to do a circle and eye relaxation.